Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is 20-year-old hostess caught stealing customers' $6,000 purse.
On March 13th, 2025, officers responded to a restaurant for a call of theft by an employee.
This is sadly not my first time directing this.
Sure.
The best way I found, a cop had a great idea of you guys coming into the back dock where the dumpsters are at.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask her to come grab some trash bags in the back.
Oh.
And it's just the back dumpster area, so it's basically private, and you guys can have whatever conversation, do whatever you need.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Hello, Alessandra. How you doing? Do you know why we're here? Any idea why we might be here?
No.
To talk to you?
No.
Okay, so... Okay, well, here to place you under arrest, okay, for theft. All right?
Theft?
Yes. Stealing. Okay, so if you don't mind, turn around, put your hands behind your back. Okay.
What did I do?
You...
How old are you?
Yeah.
I'm 20.
20? Okay. So, you stole a purse that was in your guys', yes, it was in the lost and found, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that purse,
Okay.
you took it. Do you still have it?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's in my house. I can explain it, okay?
Hold on. Okay.
Yeah, I can explain it.
Okay. All right, let's just make sure. Okay. You're gonna have to take some of this jewelry. Anything else on you? Just the phone, or?
Yeah, just my phone. But I can explain you guys really quick, to be honest.
Okay. Well,
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me? Any wine keys, anything like that? No?
I don't think so.
No? Okay, I'm going to search you, all right? Stop squirming, please.
no more moving around.
Yeah.
Follow the instructions for right now, okay?
Okay. But I have everything on the purse that was on the.
Okay. Well, we're gonna get to that in a little bit, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna have to.
I can't do that, sorry.
So,
The amount of times people have told me that, though. Okay. Can you separate your feet for me, please? Separate your feet?
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
and I'm gonna take this up. Okay.
Stop moving.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, just look at me. Calm down. Okay, this is not the end of the world.
Listen, yeah, she better get it together, man. Female officer definitely gonna get a female suspect together if she ain't acting right, for sure.
She just needs to do her job. And it's harder when you're moving.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is
no
the back of my
problem.
hand, okay? Just
Okay.
making sure.
And that's it. Do you have any locker here or anything like that?
Locker?
Like a
No, I
locker
don't
or
think
any
so.
Personal belongings.
Any personal belongings here?
Oh, yeah, but it's only my purse.
Okay.
That's important.
It's your purse.
Jacket.
Where would it be at?
It's on the house stand.
A host stand?
Yeah.
Any which, or actually, I can.
Okay. If you guys don't mind, okay.
Is it behind the takeout area?
Yeah.
The takeout area, and what color purse is it?
It's black. It's a keeping bag and black jacket.
Okay.
The rarity that she has in that purse, like if the vehicle was on the lazy dog place.
Okay.
And when I drive to her house, I was also if I can find her her vehicle in
Okay.
there.
So now, question.
Yeah.
At around, I've seen this on video.
Okay.
You put the purse in your purse,
Yeah.
and then you give it to a man
Yeah. But
that came to the restaurant.
Yeah.
Okay, so in which part of that is that you took it after work and?
Yeah. He was the person who drove over there and see if that person has their
Okay.
to their house, because I don't have the vehicle license to drive over there. That's why.
Okay.
So let me ask you this.
Yeah.
If we check the license plate of the vehicle that the guy showed up in, right?
Yeah,
If we check the license plate of the vehicle against our cameras in town, it's going to show that vehicle going to her house?
Yeah.
I've been doing this job a long time. You didn't go to the house to drop the purse off.
To be honest, yeah, I have the conversations with him, it was he was going over there, and he told me yeah, I went over there and nothing.
What's his name? We're gonna see. Okay. For now, this is
You
still
have a-
considered theft. Okay?
Okay.
So
Sorry.
we're taking you in for theft. And I believe your manager here has a few words to say before we leave, and then we're out and you're coming with us, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so, there was a lot of camera about
Yes,
it.
that's fine.
There was a guest that came forward that said they were missing a purse, and then we proceeded with our investigation as far as pulling cameras, and it looked pretty clear as day that we had something to do with it, or you had something to do with it. Given that, and you reached out to my HR department and everything, unfortunately, we do have to terminate your employment with us. I apologize, but it's just, it is what it is. Whenever there's something to do with legality and stuff, we want to make sure that our guests feel safe being here. So.
Okay.
I'll just say this.
Okay.
Things go more in your favor as far as charges with the state's attorney when you're honest. Okay? If you took the purse for whatever reason, just be honest about it. Because if we find out that you're lying halfway through this, right?
Like, if you can make me call him to make sure, because that's what he told me, and I believe that he went to that house and everything, because just to make sure. Because that's what he told me. I'm saying you what he told me because you see that I was in the vehicle, I was working in here, I just take it to him and he went to that. I just wanted to confirm that.
But you're the one that's going to be getting charged with theft.
Yeah.
You're the one that took the purse.
Yeah, but it's possible just to make sure because all the things that I told you is what he told me to what happened with that purse after that.
Yeah, but I'm sure things go in the lost and found all the time, and you not taking everybody's stuff and giving them personal deliveries like this is DoorDash. So now all of a sudden a $6,000 purse, now you want to personally give it back to them? Come on, man. We ain't falling for that bullshit.
Give it to him,
All right.
because I told him just check out because that purse was in here and it's when I see it was real expensive and just go over there and see if that person is in here too or the first one was to see over if the vehicle was in here because it was really weird to be honest to me too. Then if the vehicle was in her house too was really weird.
Well, if they couldn't drive away because of the key, right? If they couldn't drive away with the car, then they would have came back for the purse in the 10 minutes, right?
How long have you worked here?
Yeah, that's why.
How long have you worked here?
Month, 2 months, yeah.
Have you worked hostess stand for any other restaurants?
Yeah, on Olive Garden, but a month.
Okay. Have you ever tried to find the owner of any other missing purse?
To be honest, yes, I try to because I feel so bad when that things happen.
Okay. Well, again, we're gonna go to the station. I gotta make a few phone calls. Then I'm gonna let you know exactly what are you gonna be charged with, whether it's gonna be a misdemeanor or a felony for this, because
It's a
the
$6,000
amount,
purse.
it's a $6,000 purse. Okay.
Yeah, I have it.
Right, but
I have the cards
That's-
too. I didn't do anything with them because I don't want to steal with anyone.
okay. And again, we're gonna get through this, and we will, figure out about how you're gonna return the items and everything. However, it doesn't excuse the behavior. You understand what I'm saying? You still took something that wasn't yours in this situation. Okay? All right, and it's gonna be up to the state's attorneys and the judge, right? We're just here to record some facts, and that's that. Okay? So now let's go. Now let's go to my car.
And all of a sudden, your last paper is going to be mailed to you. To the address that you put on.
Is she trespassed at all, or can she come here to eat? What's the
My
direction of your
department
corporate?
did tell me that we do want to ask her to not return to the restaurant on a permanent basis. So,
You
yeah.
understand that you can't come here to eat.
Okay, that's
Okay.
fine.
You don't need to come here for your check.
All right.
Okay. Do you need anything?
Okay. Let me.
Okay.
Here's how we're gonna do this. Yeah. Go ahead. Be careful. There's stuff in the way.
I'm gonna guide you.
The woman was charged with grand theft of over $5,000. Thanks for watching today's video.
Dang. Grand theft of over $5,000. Oof. Ooh, she cooked. Sounds like a felony to me. But yeah, so that was a bad story. I'm not gonna lie. The story that she made up was, yeah, but I took it to go return it to them personally. Who? Nobody believe in that. Nobody is believing that. at all. You gotta come up with a better story than that. And then that was the wrong answer when they said, have you done this before? You know, have you tried to return somebody's item personally before? And she said, well, to be honest, yeah. Oh, yeah? So you've taken other things, huh? That's how the officer is going to look at that. She cooked, man. Anyway, I think the officers did a pretty good job. Definitely keeping it discreet. You know, female officer, she was ready to get her together. She kept doing the flinching. You moving around. Oh, you moving around too much. One more move, and we gonna get you together in here, okay? She straightened up real quick. Yeah, ain't move a muscle. But anyway, I love it. Yeah, so I'm gonna get officers 4 out of 5, man. They did a pretty good job. So let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.